Hi, I'm Alexandra Jane, and today is day one of my weekend cycling trip around Belgium, and it's really beautiful, so I wanted to show you how I was able to manage to organize this and also what it consists of, so let's get into the video. This morning we rented a car to go from Brussels to where we met our guide. I'll talk more about the guide later and how we found someone that could give us the bikes and all of the materials, equipment, and also that's guiding us around Belgium for the weekend, so he chose the routes and where we would go. And we rented a car through Cambio, which is a car service company where you pay a small amount every month and then you can really easily get a car last minute, and there's a bunch of those around Belgium. I'm going to make a blog and I'll share all of this and I'll leave a link down below. And so we just rode 40 kilometers and we are currently at the restaurant where Hoegaarden beers are manufactured. So it's these ones which I'm using to mount my phone on, and we're currently at the restaurant, and outside you can see that they're manufacturing all of the beer here, so I'll show you. So this is the view from where I'm sitting right now. Here's the restaurant, which is really cute as well. And there's my dad, the cyclist himself. Richard.
Who are you talking to?
The camera. My people.
Hello, people. Here we are at Hoegaarden.
Here we are, and there were some vegetarian and vegan options on the menu, which is great, and I guess they even gave us some
Tomato soup.
tomato soup.
But it might be cold tomato soup.
Gazpacho? It's cold tomato soup.
No, it's warm tomato soup.
Warm tomato soup. Correction. And we're going to eat and then go back, so another 40 kilometers. So. Alright, so I am back with a quick little update. We ended up riding about 50 miles or 80 kilometers, maybe a little bit more, I'm not exactly sure. And I am a little bit exhausted now because I'm definitely a newbie to cycling, so I really enjoy it for being able to see the countryside and just being able to see so many beautiful sights, but I'm definitely tired now. Here I am on the rooftop of the Airbnb where we're staying. It's a beautiful, beautiful rooftop. And I'm trying to figure out a way to film yoga, but I forgot to bring a tripod and things are quite challenging, so I'm just like stacking books on a table. We'll see what I come up with, but enjoy the view, and I'm going to be doing a 45-minute practice. I can't figure out how to pronounce her name, so I'll just put what I'm doing here and maybe a link in the description. See you later. Okay, so it's super windy. The mat has blown away. I'll take care of that, and then I figured this little tripod out. So things are progressing onto yoga. It's Sunday morning. which means it's the second and last day of this weekend cycling trip. It's exactly 9 a.m., which means that we have to give up the Airbnb and go to meet up at the cycling spot. So before I leave, I did want to show you this Airbnb because it's really beautiful, and I think you all will be able to enjoy the view, which you can't right now, but you already saw it when I was doing yoga, and here is the Airbnb. All right, so over here is the front door. We're on the last floor of the building, and here's the super tiny toilet, so if you were tall, it would be complicated. And this is the bedroom. And there's a little balcony over here, and the bathroom over here. Sorry I'm showing this so quickly, we're running late. And the living room is here. Oh, hi. And the kitchen's over there. And then there are these industrial looking stairs here, which is something like this. And there's a little bed there, another couch area, and then this is really the nice part of the apartment, if you can get the door open. Got it. Okay, so then you come out to this beautiful balcony. So down here you can see all of the streets in the center of Brussels. It's so calm right now. And then the Grand Place is over there. I hope you enjoyed this quick little view of the apartment, and now we really have to get going. So I'll see you on the road. I'm excited for today, although my wrists hurt from the cobblestones. Belgium is famous for having cobblestones and cyclists that are really great at going over cobblestones, but it is not easy. I don't know how they do it. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm in the parking lot and we're getting ready to start the day, and I already hooked up the GoPro to my bike, so I can't really show you where we are, but let's get going. I'm back from the bike ride, and today we did a bit of a shorter ride than yesterday, so it was 70 kilometers so that my dad has time to make it to the airport. And I want to highly recommend the guide that we had, Nico. You can show. No?
Nico, tell us a little about Go for Cycling.
Go for Cycling, guided trips all over Europe, specialized in the Spring Classics, but also Tour de France and Giro d'Italia trips. So you're always welcome to join us.
He said he wasn't ready to talk, but clearly he knows what his company does, and it was a really great trip and I'm really happy with it. Alright, I am back home and I'm going to end the video here. I really hope that you liked this video. I had an amazing weekend and I would once again strongly recommend go for cycling. My dad organized this and I am so happy with how everything went, and I would really strongly recommend talking to Nico if you want to organize a cycling trip anywhere in Europe. It was really well organized. And if you did like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ask any questions that you have in the comments, or you can email me. I would love to help other people do something like this if they're interested. So see you next time.